Alright guys, check this out. If you ever want to put something like this in your bathroom, look how decorative you could actually add. Now this one, you could retain a lot of towels on one side. It has a drawer, and of course in this drawer, we put essentials. Alright, hair dryer in here. Look at the drawers, the two open shelves that you could put in your ingredients, extra stuff in there. Now, setting it up, it took about an hour and 20 minutes to put together, but once you set it up, beautiful. Now they have different colors, beautiful, different sizes, and also different designs. Great brand, easy to put together, nice and slim on the top, so you have plenty of space. If you guys can see, this is a bathroom that does not have a lot of places to actually set things up. This is perfect. You could actually set your toilet paper in here, your towels, pretty much anything, or design it how you wish. Gives it a good ambiance to the actual place. So very simple to put it together. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.